Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It is Thursday, March 22nd, 2018. Are you watching this? Okay, so as I am doing this video blog, stocks are down across the board. Pretty much 1% across the board. Again, nothing overly dramatic, but the numbers appear large. But what's driving this? It's actually multifactorial. I don't even know what order to put them in, so this won't be in any particular order. You got the market trying to digest what Powell said yesterday about a promise of 3 rate hikes here. Look, the market understands that we are hiking into a slowing economy. That's the truth. I don't care what comes out of the mouths of our politicians. The facts are what they are. So the market doesn't like this. The market wants the easy money. It wants rates to stay low indefinitely. So that's number one. Number two, we got President Trump today going to announce his plan with regard to tariffs. And the market's kind of afraid of what China might do. So that's putting pressure here on stocks. Number three, again, this is in no particular order, is this huge budget. Look, I think that the world is finally understanding that the United States is in a lot of trouble. We are the largest debtor nation in the history of the world. All we do is borrow to sustain where we are. It is not sustainable. Where is all this cash coming from for this new budget? What is it, 1.3 trillion or something along those lines? Well, we're going to have to borrow it from everyone around the world, including China. So that's the story. They're going to print it out of thin air. We can expect more of the same here, and it's kind of insane, isn't it? We got to just disregard everything that comes out of the mouths of our politicians. President Trump did promise, oh no, we're gonna get all this under control. Doesn't look like it now, does it at all? It's more debt, and he understands that. Believe me, President Trump knows how the system works better than anybody else. It's a debt-based economic model, demands cash to be borrowed into existence from whatever source they need to get it from, just to keep going in greater and greater amounts. How many times have you heard me say that? So just like President Obama and the president before him and the president before that, we're going to keep exploding this debt higher and higher. It's not going to get fixed anytime soon, ever. It can't. The moment we admit we can't borrow anymore is the moment of implosion. That's when this whole charade ends. And frankly, I wish it would end. I think this has gotten so grossly out of control. And we're going to hit that wall. We're going to hit that breaking point. Don't know when it is. Not saying it's now, but we're going to hit it head on, going 95 miles an hour. It's the truth. It's the truth. All right. With that said, let's just see how this plays out. They're trying to prop up that bond market again. Let's put a perspective on this real quick before I let you go. So they're in there right now buying up those bonds. Who would be buying bonds right now, knowing that the Fed is going to be raising rates moving forward? Does that make any sense to you? Does it make any sense to anybody that's listening to this? Well, of course not, because we know who's buying it up. It's fake. It's being rigged right before our eyes. And the mainstream, the Confederacy of Dunces, they don't even want to talk about it. All right, with that said, let's sum this up at the end of the day. It's going to be fun. It really is. That's it. I'll see you then.